Right, quick down and dirty because I'm on low memory.
What size card do you use?
Card?
Card, SD
4
card.
gig.
4. What's the maximum it can take?
I don't know.
Oh, I'll get you.
I think 16 it can just take, but it can't do any more than fourth generation.
Oh, right, okay. So if you've got a class 10, it might be a bit iffy.
Yeah, the class 10s are brutal fast, aren't they?
Yeah. Like, most of them are these days, actually. I think you can get the really cheap Hong Kong things for 99p or whatever, but I don't think they're going to be a class 10. Wow, look at this. 3 to 1. Action! So we've let the fire go right down to cook on coals. We don't really want to cook on flames, because if you plan on doing eggs on flames, it's just going to be a childish mess, really. So
Childish charred mess, yeah.
yeah, you just use your loaf of it, you know. Just what would you cook on in the kitchen at home? That's what you're going to do. And already that oil is absolutely, yeah. And that's hot, and that's not on the flame.
Might back it off a bit more yet. Because Ali's a bastard to cook on. Look, I just laid an egg. Yeah.
So for eggs, it might be an idea to take that off the heat and cook it
Well,
on the floor.
I'm gonna move that away. Move that away. That's calmed down now.
Yeah, taking the heat away from them. I'll take it off the heat because that's still going to stay hot in there for about 5 minutes. Put it on the dirt, mate.
That's plenty hot enough.
And the heat, the residual heat in the oil is just going to be just right for that.
Well, that and the metal, and it's still half on. I got that beauty.
Well done. That ain't easy, mate, is it? You're there for ages fishing around trying to get it out, and it's yeah.
Wow,
That's glove hot, that is.
Yeah, and that will stay. It's perfectly cooking now. Just right. When you see him, ask for a Teflon one.
What? It's a frying pan.
From my comic heroes from when I was a young boy, there's a phrase that's immortalised, etched on my memory, and it is from Laurel and Hardy: "A job slowly done is surely done."
That's
Absolutely.
another fine mess you got me into.
the other one, Laurel Hardy.
That one.
Was it Blue Ridge Mountains or
The Blue Ridge Mountains of Virginia.
was the song?
The Lonesome Pine.
That film, it's called Lonesome Pine. I don't know what the actual movie was called.
Way Out West.
Way Out West, whatever.
Way Out West. Yeah.
So Laurel's on the donkey or
That's
the mule,
right. The mule. Yeah.
and it's just not going enough, right? So Oliver already goes, give it some, you know. Oh, he says, I'm saving that for the hills.
Genius, mate.
That's just
Bloody brilliant. And the trails of the lonesome.
Right. Touch more heat.
see, that's my control, isn't it?
Yeah, of course it is. And of course, the coals there are going to stay very hot for quite a long time. It's not as if it's going to go cold in the next 5 or 10
I'll
minutes.
keep it going with TV sticks.
So there's no problem with that.
And the cat hole of no smoke in the eyes, wasn't it?
Yeah, perfect,
So
mate.
I must be nearly a foot under the height of the fire.
Yeah.
So whatever way the smoke goes, it should, because it's swirling at the moment.
And you're nearer to it, isn't you?
Yeah.
I think one of the things that a lot of people don't really get about us guys who come out and doing this sort of thing in the woods is it's not just about getting away from it all. It's about engaging the brain to use and to think all of the utilities around you.
Done it again.
What have you done?
I made a left-handed fish slice.
See, next time, you're going to do it right.
Do it from the other side of the tree.
Yeah, it's all about engaging
That's
the brain
twice.
and just using your life, really. Using your initiative and stuff. Just makes you think in a different way rather than being at work and doing as you're told and monotonous bullshit.
Do we?
Some people do.
Alright. Well, yours is looking good. Look at that.
Mate,
Yeah,
I'll take any one of them.
That's alright. I like mine over mashed. The amount of times I go in bread and butter, how do you want your eggs? Over crispy.
Ah,
That's what I like. So, it's crispy.
a crunchy coat around the outside.
Should just about be able to flippify,
Oh, voila.
because the side's quite high in a frying pan, isn't it?
It is really,
And it ain't
yeah.
got the sides go like that.
It's not really fair. I mean, I was thinking of cooking it all in a bloody Crusader mug. That would have been interesting, wouldn't it?
Fried egg. How do you flip it? And you have another Crusader mug.
No, you put a little bit of oil and you toss it like a pancake. That would be so enough, wouldn't it?
It's on my face, my beautiful face.
Oh, we'll get smoked out here.
Yeah, somehow in the mornings, the wind
It's following me, see, look.
moves.
It's my electromagnetic aura it's drawn to, look, it's following me.
Okay. I thought it was just your funkiness.
Your royal funkiness, no way.
That's looking. I'm wondering.
Well, I'm thinking now.
Is that roaring?
Yeah, you put the twigs on there. I've just got to douche this out because I'm going to be eating out of my mug.
No, not quite ready to flip yours yet.
Oh, you know, yeah, because you sort of, you can tell, can't you? You've got the white
Ain't
slime and
quite.
stuff on it.
No, it's not quite rigid enough.
Yeah, this ain't going to be all like cooked up in one go and served up at once. It's just going to be food as it comes.
Go gentle.
It's
Because
like
aluminium's a
I think we can call it English breakfast tapas, can't we?
tapas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As we go.
It's gently cooking.
If anyone's bored by watching this, just fast forward. It's up to you. But nah, this is real time. This is exactly how it is.
But there's no doubt about it. Ferocious fire, aluminium pan, thin wall. You're just gonna blacken everything up, aren't you?
Complete waste of time, mate. Ruined it.
Right. Can you pass me my lid of Tranja, please?
Yes.
I can flop mine out.
Don't forget,
Baby.
you might have a
Damn,
bit.
another double ton in the
Might have a
woods.
bit of coffee in there.
Come here. Okay, ready? Yeah. Camping clean.
Oh, I said that to Simon.
Now,
He pissed himself.
Here's the other trick. Ready? Ambient temperature, 15 degrees. What's that? 15 degrees. Warm your bloody pan up.
Yeah, it's like warming your plate, isn't it?
Just get it, I don't know, 45, 50, 60. Not raging.
If you can't pick it up with your bare hand, you've done it too hot.
Yeah.
So you drag it off your glove, you wait for it to cool down a bit, then put your food in. It's not really hard.
Still got coffee in there, so it's not that hot. So that's
That could turn it non-stick, that'd be good, wouldn't it? Time to tuck in.
well, for eating it's pretty good. Might be flipping. Oh,
Eggs in the field, baby! Just going to
right. Now I can. Do
evaporate the wash water in my mug to get
Yeah.
that out.
you want yours flipped, or are you quite happy? Do you
Oh
like
yeah,
yours-
flip it. Mate, that'd be buddy. I trust you. You're a good egg, Scott.
I try.
Look at that, a dog.
Oh,
And another dog.
the Irish setter and a Springer of some description.
Morning.
Smell eggs.
Yeah. We're having a good old time. Mick from Animal Tendencies knows all about this, doesn't he, Mick?
Dogs arriving in camp.
Spatuloon, and we're doing eggs as well. How ironic.
1, 2, 3.
Oh man,
Just about.
expert.
Well, Tesco value eggs are quite small. Right.
As sure as eggs is eggs.
What's your temperature of picky uppy?
Yeah. That should sizzle now. Yeah.
You got it.
So,
That is.
got the water out. Nice and dry and clean. And another good thing about heating up your metal eating utensils, it's like kills the bacteria as well. So if you've got any bugs and whatnot,
You just fry them.
you just cook the hell out of it and you're pretty much sterilised, so that's all good.
Right, let's warm yours through now. Just gone off the sizzle. You've never twig. And notice as I'm putting the sticks on, it's around the pan.
Yeah.
Not in the pan. Right, now it's starting to go. Reckon?
Top bloody draw, mate.
Yeah, eggs first and then bacon second with that bloody, because
The white crust.
it's white crap in a bit. There you go.
Top bloody draw.
Oh, I got half of it out anyway.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
It's not all frazzled and sliced up.
No.
And look at that.
Because
Absolutely perfectly cooked, Scott.
I
That's
tried.
exactly how I like it, mate.
yeah, but you can't put it on a roaring
Just
fire.
right. Nice one.
Simply don't do it.
Not worth it, mate.
You'll never catch up with it. You'll try and flip it, you won't make it. You panic, you break it.
Yeah, and you're not going to fully enjoy the outdoor experience. You're going to be kicking yourself because you just cocked up. Wow. Gee, this is a nice job, mate. Really cool.
You just got to keep putting the gloves on. So I remember.
Mmm,
There.
that's nice.
Just a bit of some bacon freshness. Flame on.
You put another fuel cell on it or something?
Nah, cardboard from the sausages.
Oh, good move. Less to carry out.
Right. Got a knife on you?
Oh,
These yeah, I know, but it's not a tyre, is it?
What's that? A couple of chipolatas in there, Scott?
Just a few. I can't remember. Oh, Brewer's Ale sausages.
Brewer's Ale sausages?
Something or other, ale sausages.
My goodness. Oh, my dad would love something like that. Oh, wow.
And it's not that I want the calories, I don't want it to burn. So what I'll do is I'll mix that molten plastic.
This is just wicked, guys. I wish you were all here. This is just brilliant.
And then that ember there, and a random stick off the ground. And a touch more. That burn.
What the bloody hell's in that pan? They're not sausages, they're
Dead
limbs.
tubed pig.
Bloody size of them little babies. I'll come out here
Here it comes.
because you got a wall of
Wall of pork.
This is just for all you vegetarians out there.
Sorry. These are
I'm not sorry. I
Linda-
love eating meat.
Linda McCartney and a sausage, isn't it? Sorry.
Jesus. Wow. And you just know, in a couple of minutes, it's going to smell like a burger van around here. It's going to be gorgeous.
All the dogs for 15 miles will be going.
I think you're probably right, mate, yeah. Because their sense of smell is far better than ours.
Aim at the hillside, fire at the smoke.
Oh yes.
I'll keep taking photographs. Operating the camcorder with gloves isn't fucking a good idea, really.
Right. Crispy pie for me. Is that metal? Yeah, just warm him up for a second.
Yeah, I've got with fork, I'll get him out, mate, it's right.
So, choose your weapon.
Wow, look at that. Nice plump little baby. Yeah, oh, nice, isn't he? Whoa. Nice one, Daddy.
Talk about balancing act. Go on. Number 3.
That looks absolutely disgusting, I'm sure you'd agree. Yeah, right. Step back!
Get rid of that oil.
Yeah. Waste not, want not.
Mmm. Oh yes.
Nice pork sausages.
So Tesco, not
Plump and
quite
gorgeous.
finest, but they're ale sausages. Yes.
That's having here, absolutely hideously disgusting. Smoky lens.
Oh.
Man, got bacon to come here and all. Is that a 20 bit? Fucking twin pack.
That means that because we only want 3 each.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah.
can't have
So you,
six.
you slice it down through the middle.
Yeah, yeah. Let's say
Hell yes.
six slices out.
Normally, I'll give you a warning. But here it comes.
Shit. What? I'm glad you got that box now, mate. Great, isn't it?
Yeah. It's never easy cooking on Ali. Always
So you can
burnt.
put, once that's all cleaned up, you can put all sorts in that and just stick it in your frozen, can't you?
Go at the bottom, yeah, I suppose. I want to fashion a lid though.
We've got to get hold of a lid for you. If Jasper can't, I'll get one for Simon. Oh yeah. The other week I had beans in the field. Today I've had eggs, sausage and pretty soon bacon. Oh lordy, look out. I'll tell you what though, mate, after all that big chilli stew we had last night, I've been doing a few farts.
Have you?
You have to be a bit careful later on.
Oh god.
That just reminded me.
Let's go on, Funky, signing off. See you next one. Sight clear. 1% of camera, battery and card left. So see you on the next one. Stuff from Wessex Blaze. The Funky Orange.
Stay funky!